Hi friends, it's Steven at Goodie Goodie, and I'd like to present to you the Pancake Army.
Trainee cooks get their battle orders for Operation Pancake in military style. And with ammunition at the ready, the troops start to beat the daylights out of the mixture.
Beat the daylights? I've got to start using that expression.
Pay attention. I want you to fall in now into 2 ranks for pancake tossing. Get fell in 2 ranks.
Pancake tossing sounds very exciting.
I'm now going to tell you to toss pancakes by numbers. I want you to pay attention. I will say pancake tossing by numbers 1, 2, 3, 1, and when I say the second one, you will toss the pancake and I want to see it flying through the air. Pay attention. Pancake tossing by numbers. 1, 2, 3, 1. What are you doing that pancake on the floor? Pick it up. Let's do it properly this time. 1, 2, 3, 1.
I don't know about you, but I'm going to be practicing my pancake tossing. See you next time, and don't forget to like and subscribe.